Hello, my name is Samantha and I work at the Sierra View Library. Today we will be creating a fun Christmas tree decoration for your home with supplies that you most likely have in your kitchen cupboard. This can be a nice decoration to add to your Christmas dinner table or even hang it from your Christmas tree. Did you know that in the 1870s, gifts used to be placed inside the tree and not under it? Christmas trees used to be filled with cakes, candies, and toys so that children could go right up to the tree and pluck the treats right off. Another fun fact is that every year in West Palm Beach, Florida, they construct the world's largest Christmas tree entirely made of sand. Wow, that's super cool. So today the supplies you're going to need are shell pasta noodles, a hot glue gun and an extra glue stick, some scissors, construction paper, a bowl, a pen and a ruler, and some paint. So let's get started. The first step is you're going to place your bowl on your piece of paper and trace a circle. Next, you're going to want to cut that circle out. Next, you're going to want to use your ruler and draw a line into the middle of the circle. You're going to want to cut that line. So our goal here is to create a cone. Next, you're going to want to fold the circle in to the shape of your Christmas tree. Glue it down. If you have a little excess paper, you can go ahead and trim that off. So now you have the base of your Christmas tree, this nice cone shape. Next, you're going to begin gluing your pasta noodles onto your tree. I like to use small lines of glue because it dries pretty quickly. And you just place them on like so. And it's helpful if all the noodles are facing the same direction. Once you have your first row, begin on your second. As you get closer to the top, if you happen to have bow tie noodles, you can add those to put a topper on it. And this is your final product. Once all the hot glue has dried, you can have your child pick a color paint and they can paint each individual noodle. If you are an older child and happen to have spray paint in your garage, you can spray paint it and it would look quite lovely. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining us today for our Craftapalooza creation. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more programs and events like this. And don't forget to tag your beautiful creations at Washoe County Library. Here's our finished product. My son made this and it's quite lovely. I hope you had fun today and I hope you have a wonderful day and we'll see you next time. Bye!